DJT stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Trump media stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. Yeah, thing went up 10% so far. It's phenomenal. Like for me, I don't know if you see this, but the way that I would have potentially taken this thing lower, like from a lower time frame perspective, was if the price came into a demand area. And you can relatively see why I mark out these areas, because they are getting hit. And from those areas, we're seeing some types of movements. So it's not like for whatever reason. It's not like I was a part of this, because no, I was not. Like there's no reason no way my rules would have been met that fast. But you get the point. This is still going up. And I'm all here for it. Like I would not obviously buy unless the rules are met, but that's just my thing. Obviously, please do your own due diligence and everything. My whole bias on this is still quite bullish. I'm sticking to a strategy that's previously that I've refined over 30,000 videos. If you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. I will see you in the next one.